Hey educator, do you sometimes feel lost for song words? Or you don't remember all the songs that you may remember? It's okay. These cards I created just for you. They're gonna help you to remember some songs that you probably know. Pick them from the pack, and I have 53 cards. And remember that shake your sillies out. You also can show these cards to children and ask them to guess what song are you going to play together or sing together. For example, this one is Miss Polly Had a Dolly. So these cards can be used as cards, so you can offer children the choice of the cards. So that's what I do with the preschoolers. And they pull one card, and then you ask them to guess what do you think this song is about. So this becomes a language activity. So we have 5 little speckled frogs. Yeah. So and then we get ready. Yes, so we get our frogs ready and we start singing 5 little speckled frogs. And also can pick another card, and it would be, let's say, a dance punchinella. So that's an active game and also a song, and you can sing it together. In case if you do not know some of these songs, because it's 53 of them, you can actually download my free resource on Payhip that is called Nursery Rhymes for Early Childhood Educators. And most of these songs and lyrics and words you will find in there. You also can download Ukulele Chords book, which is free for anyone who is on Storykate, and you can go to Payhip store and download it for free as well. I'm just gonna show you a few more cards. So I have a song, The Bear Went Over the Mountain. Yeah. I have 10 Little Fingers. That's a famous finger song. I had a little turtle. His name was Tiny Tim. 1 potato, 2 potato, 3 potato, 4 pat a cake, pat a cake. So what else can you do with these songs? I'm just gonna show you more while I'm talking. Is to sort them and put some for, let's say, baby's room, right? So some are more suitable for preschoolers, some are more suitable for transitions. Some are more suitable for nursery room, some are more suitable for toddlers room. So, for example, this one, Roly Poly Up Up Up, I'm using as a waiting song when children are sitting at the tables waiting for a meal. Or I might use it when they're restless and we are going outside, so for transition. So I'm doing a roly poly up up up, roly poly down down down. Again, if you are going to use this resource but you do not know the song, don't worry, because I have all these songs recorded on my channel, so you can always find me showing the song. And if it's not me, you can always Google the song and you will find them. So all the songs are well known. For example, this is really great song for fine motor skills, gross motor skills, called Johnny Works with One Hammer. So you are using different parts of the body, different hands and arms and legs, and it's a really good counting song. So you can also organize them for counting. So for example, this would go to counting song. The ants go marching for counting song. Yeah. So Hope Little Bunnies is more like active song. Wheels on the Bus, active song, counting song, and counting song. So you see, these are let's say 4 counting songs that will help you to teach some basic numbers. 5 little monkeys jumping on the bed, 5 cheeky monkeys jumping on the swinging on in a tree. The ants go marching one by one, introducing the concepts 1, 2 by 2, 1. So the timetable concept. And then Johnny Works with One Hammer, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5. Yeah. And that's also counting. As I was saying, there are some songs that are actually active games as well. So these are really more like movement songs. So I already mentioned Punchinella, and these 3 are perfect for active when it's like raining or you see a lot of energy in the room. These 3 are perfect for active games when it's like raining or you see a lot of energy in the room. So the Wheels on the Bus, Ring a Ring a Rosie when you do a circle game, Hop little bunnies, hop hop hop, toddlers love this one. Some of the songs could be used for introducing yourself as a new teacher. For example, this one is I wonder what your name is, I wonder if you know. I always use as a new teacher, as a relief teacher. So I'm clapping, yeah, I wonder what your name is, I wonder if you know. My name is Kate. Hello, hello, hello. And then I wonder what your name is, and I point at the child, and then hello, hello, hello. Yeah, so that's a great song. This one I already made a video about how you can turn this song into a silly song. Open, shut them, open, shut them. So instead of doing the actions, you are doing the opposite actions and ask children to identify what's wrong. For example, a silly song, yeah? Open, shut them, give a little clap. And then open, shut them, place them in your lap. Oops, is it my lap? So, silly songs. Another silly song is this one. Hey diddle diddle, the cat and the fiddle. The cow jumped over the moon. Also a wonderful silly song. And of course have this song that you probably sing in the shower. Baby shark do 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 do. More famous recently, Wombat Wobble by Julie Baker. It's a really great song. You can find it on YouTube. And traditional nursery rhymes, lots of them. You probably know them as well. I have Aussie song, 5 Pet Sausages. Maybe Aussie because we do like barbecue here. And I have also some unusual songs. Let me find this one. Tall as a Tree. So that's less known song. If you again struggling to find the words, I have the video on that. This is another great song that I like, and I have a ukulele song for that. This one is a little bit more complex. Mix a pancake, fry a mix a pancake, shake a pancake, put it in your pan, fry a pancake, turn the pancake, something, I don't remember. Anyway, so I do have all the songs, and this one is a long song. So if you want to choose, again, if it's a long song with repetition or a short song like this one, There Is a House, or it's a children's favorite alphabet song. There is also a benefit of these cards in terms of the pictures. They give away the song for children, so they start to recognize symbols. All right, so and with these symbols they guess what the content of the song is. So that's a literacy concept, also a cognitive development concept, symbolic thinking. So when they see a fisherman, they kind of guess that the song might be about a fish or fishing. Yeah, this one as well. Can you guess what song is it based on pictures? And then you develop vocabulary. Who's that? That's an octopus. What is that? Who is that? And what is that? Amazing resource, in my opinion. Took me a while to create, and it's only $2, seriously. So if you would like to download it, please click download on the link, and we can add more songs based on your suggestions. I would like to see more suggestions for songs, because I'm sure I missed a few. So I have Mary, Mary, Quite Contrary. Of course, I have Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. There you go. So that's the resource, and I hope you like it. 53 cards plus 2 optional ones where you can add your own song.